Hello YouTube, this is John. In this video I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve this shortcut issue, the virus that causes shortcuts that's called syswin. So whenever I remove I have a flash here that has a virus, as you can see Windows Defender is complaining. So what you do, I'm going to show you the quick steps on how to resolve this issue. If I click on the Defender, it will show us the virus we are getting, which is quarantined here. So we have these viruses here that are keeping on showing up. So in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to resolve them. So if I open my flash drive, I'll have shortcuts. This is like a worm that will create folders, and when you click on them, they will be like softwares themselves. So in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to go around this issue. As you can see, it is seeing the folder as an application which is executable. So what you do, I want you to close this folder, and this would happen on hard drives. So I was giving an example using a flash drive. So what you see here, I'm going to go to the C drive. So in the C drive you have hidden files here, and when you go to view and go to options here, this will take you to the folder options, and you click on view, and then I want you to click on show hidden files and apply. So whenever your computer starts, this virus will go in the boot. The folder you see here, it is called boots. So this is the virus itself, but to stop it from running, you have to go ahead and click Ctrl Alt Delete, or you go to this bar and then you go to Task Manager. So when you go to the Task Manager, I want you to click on More. Then I want you to scroll down here. So we are looking for the syswin, which is the one here. So I want you to go ahead and end task, and this will stop it from working. Then from here I want you to just go ahead. I normally zip it. I'll send it to a compressed file. Then after, sorry about that. Then after, I'll go ahead and delete this. So if you don't stop it from the other side, this will come back and to be working. But when this file is zipped here, I normally keep it zipped so that I keep track of it, if it is there or not. So this is the folder that the virus sits in, so that disorganizes your files and creates shortcuts in every folder that you create. So right now we have our virus stopped, and as you can see here, actually I normally recommend, as you can see the startup here, you can go ahead and disable it, the one that will bring the syswin, and you can also disconnect some other application that you don't want to start up from here. So in our case the virus is here and we have stopped it. So what happens here, when you go ahead, when we go back to our flash drive, so this virus will be harmless. So the next step, you need just go ahead and delete these files that have application. So in my next video I'll show you how to delete the shortcuts themselves. But this is how we stop the syswin virus. And let me just plug out the USB, then I'll bring it back in. So the next step, you have to go ahead and scan your USB drive, and everything will work very well. So thanks for watching. If this video is helpful, please subscribe to this channel, comment, like, click the bell icon in order to get notified whenever I upload useful videos like this. Have a nice time. Goodbye.